Unboxing the laser guide. The contents of the box include instructions, the laser guide, assembled, tools required, 7/16, socket or wrench. To install the laser guide, start with removing your saw insert from the carriage. Remove the nuts and washers from pan head bolts on top of the laser. Line up pan head bolts with underside of saw carriage. Secure the bolts to carriage with the nuts and washers you removed. Place the saw insert back into carriage. Tighten the lower adjustment bolts, but do not fully tighten just yet. Verify your saw is square. Place a test sheet of material on it, then make a vertical test cut. For this demonstration, we already made sure our saw was square. When the blade stops spinning, remove the drop, raise the saw carriage, and turn on the laser using the black button. Align the laser line with your cut piece of material's edge. Tighten the bolts once the laser is positioned. You might need to further adjust the angle of the laser. To do this, adjust laser angle using the adjustment wheel within the blue rubber. Your laser guide is now installed.